Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can cancel subscriptions on your iPhone or your iPad. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your settings, and on your settings you're going to simply tap on your Apple ID or your name, and simply over here, as you can see on the fourth row, there is going to be a subscription tab. Go ahead and tap on it. And now it's going to show you all the subscriptions that you have subscribed to, just like Hulu or Netflix or stuff like that, and it will all be listed right here. I currently don't have any subscriptions on this device, so basically what you want to do is go ahead and tap on the subscription you don't want anymore, and then a small window is going to pop up. On the place where I have start free trial, there's going to be cancel subscription, so you want to simply go ahead and tap on the cancel subscription, and then your subscriptions will be canceled. So if you thought this video is informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.